sadi we so na ekwa ni mu kakra Ghana afro bia aye okay with near wowo any ade wo ko voter region say or can skills training and other things who grab voter region look support yi ne emu nkonya ne ade ni nyina no e voter region eti anything eti vet ho nhyehyɛ de ade no na focus no eti mi aye den ahwɛ e voter region eti that's how it is going to be. That is Alan's agenda for this country. It is a great transformational plan. Ufa book na chia. Ubawon say watro yi ewo honum. The great transformational plan. Asiano stability, growth, resilience, and prosperity. Now these 4 words here yatro hey are very key. In the sense it say the state of Ghanaian economy are unstable, which is a fact.
Yeah,
are unstable.
Yeah.
For so many years. So as I said, you know, obetima yesika someone stable, obetima grane na so.
Oka instability no. The member of parliament for Obuasi West. Kwaku ati minim say na some no kind no say what bia say over the years government have as a Ponzi scheme. Yes. What has been Alan's movement for change takes on that? Yeah. Mame enko buku no na Ghana for enhu ne papa no edeba wo famu a introduction ewom na wacheche the policy a Ghana for the tumi ema na odeba be ye adwuma no wachemu into 6. First one the economic cluster, second governance cluster, third infrastructure cluster, fourth social services, 5 environment, science and technology and natural resources cluster. Then the 6th one, behavioral and mindset change. The 6th one, very key. Hey, opa shishe sika sam said den. Nenjira ne na so den. Say yan change ye suni ye banya, ebrebia ebenya problem. Say ya pointy will be say kokoye CEO. Ewo baby. Yeah.
First thing and Adam for baby. Hey, na hold that there.
Yes, it's cow or no.
Wait, Sikaninti na woko ho na say adwuma opesa wo ye magana inti na woko ho.
Yeah.
So ho ne ete no. Eti say yansesa yesu ama ya hu say ye appointed wa oba be ye adwuma da wajadin ama Ghana fo hu say yes wo ba ye no saade we no aya.
Yeah.
Menia hey wo be ye bibia sika bia be ko ho bia obewia. Owia Ghana be den na ye den akodanim. Adinti anwa say saade we de e very key. It is Alan Kojo Chemantin nya kwan say oye president a the one from kindergarten ekosi your last stop sa we no e be part of our curriculum ye de be ye adwuma ye be kyerɛkyerɛ nkola se saade we wuduru ha ye mfa we ento ha ye mfa sei enye sei ye nyi ye be ma wo kwan ho enwonso ngu ho obi a hye suita botai no gina kwan ho no atwe ne be ma no odwonso I mean it's uncalled for. Unkwa brochire hu sade ni bi da obi ba be pia bontina obi wura ne washroom no adwonso anse wapie etu na mu ana se dwonso kan wa esesa wo hwehwe baabi se shop bi na obeko se restaurant bi na obewura no akwakope washroom no wa yeden wakwakoye ho yi se ga na obi ana ho mo ye ni mu ha se last ma hu se obi ayi de be ma gina ho no no adwonso me se wow. So sa dwene no sesa e na be boyen now say you call the economic cluster na economic cluster no e was 11 pillars.
Yes.
Under every cluster is pillar. Under every pillar no thematic areas, and then under it thematic areas no near what policy solutions. So on no
yeah,
it is a 5 pillar bit is expenditure and management control. Dear with solution
yeah,
solution na ubetima ye no waka say oh government expenditure ti say na wuken na ya twa budget ama ministry bi oh no a diablo so without any recourse one konkoji permission kra wo ba bia ya say amount 1 million cedis say for adwuma by the end of the day was you are spending 3 million cedis because oh na hu here na say ye say why the mouse e kwan no eti owura alanche mantin so oba how to control expenditure and management. Sorry, expenditure management and control. Was say achieve a budget deficit rate not exceeding 5% within a period of 2 years. Because what bano budget deficit na da ho no eso kakra so ho ne no. But oba o first year no ebia ya budget ato hodum na ba nti review no na ba ye skirmishes kakra wo ho.
Yeah.
Eti the second year ne de wan kasa wo de wa yi ba. Eti within that 2 years no se eba se obeko deficit kra na it should not go beyond your kind of saying 5%. That is what the law is saying. And so hey ye ditwa mu de bia obi anso hodu obi a what I say
yeah
se ekwasa na aban afomumra and so why na be che aban no no obi ayedin no what ho we no na me de ba mo so media fo no mo na nka se ebasa abo che aban na mo question aban e question no and so eba na mo ayedin na ejamoti ho no. Now the bigger one obetimi edia control the expenditure.
Yeah.
You say obe establish lean but effective government. Lean but efficient government by reducing the current size of government, including but not limited to limiting the number of ministerial appointments to not more than 40 ministers. MPP winning power our mobile bemu. First term, president appointed 125 ministers.
Yeah.
Ministers and deputy ministers, 125.
And including a presidential staff.
Omokra no monka. Me, I was a civil servant.
Huh?
I was a civil servant. My appointment was given to me by National Security.
I was civil servant. I was
not, hear me. I was not under Article 71 office holders. My appointment was not given to me from Jubilee House. It was given to me by National Security. Everybody working at the National Security is a civil servant.
You see, then a secretary, the president, to me, according to you, or to me, you were.
I just what you do. What Jumano de Manere. One of the Ababa, where
Jumana, as a civil servant,
Mayan Lusuk of focus.
No, we are not going to lose it.
What do you remember? Mami, we win.
Okay.
Not more than 40 ministers.
All right.
Now, 125 ministers. Make 125 ministers and deputy ministers. I'm not talking about staffers. I'm not talking about CEOs. I'm not talking about any, but ministers in 125. Now, simple mathematics. Some ministers, everybody is entitled to a land cruiser. True of us.
True.
Aside that, everybody is entitled to saloon car. True of us. True. Everybody.
At least one land cruiser, one saloon car.
Yes. Everybody is entitled to
a driver.
A driver, a watchman, a cook, garden boy, road allowance, a whole lot.
Sometimes a special assistant.
Special assistant. Yemfa ni nyina anto nchen. Yemfa land cruiser no pe. Na yenhwe how we can save this country a lot of money. And Okasa will talk brand new land cruiser. A year 200,000 and above.
Dollars.
At the MPEG to 200,000. And now it's $200,000 at the bagger Nesikemwa a year over 30 billion OCDs. One land cruiser over 30 billion OCDs. Look, Patase Adabihu Tundra. Adam Bisa says saying, a brand new 9 billion. 9 billion. Eti land cruiser bako ebeye over 30 billion. And the 30 billion times 125. More mutie no, what mathematics no, na monchron to ho.
Eno ne ka Ghana ebo sisi.
Me say
expenditure.
Make government expenditure. Just one part, just one.
MMDC is my.
And no crime but for just one on the ministers alone. Now, amount for Kasa ya Eswati about 85. Alliance oba what the beba 40. 40 now walk no. Well, and yes, we dwane num. was 30-40 no how it will be. Number 1, there were 16 regions. It you 16 regional ministers. Uti free 40 more, aka 24. Now, constitution no, apart from Minister of Justice and Attorney General, one more ministry being or constitution no more. I don't know dear, you can't touch it. You're constant. All other ministers, president, you have the powers to select ministry or person
and collapse some of the ministries.
Oh yes. Eti alliance oba obeye realignment. Enti realignment no obenya 16 ministries. 16 ministries. Meba babu boss wa kire o boss wa ka ministries be 7 abom, baby no aka 3 abom, baby no aka 2 abom, eni ade. Ni nyina ba begina 16. 16 no minister wanya 16 ministers. Da afe wanya ministers of state. Some few ministries bi ohodomo a esese wo munya aboafo. Na ba beka ho na di nyina akwa akoye 24.
Okay.
Now they can 16 regional ministers no ho a na akwa akoye 40. Now aha na me pese calculation no eba. Eti we a ye ka under expenditure management was say obe limit number 40 no. Just imagine sikadodo a wasevu Ghana. Ene 85. Etuti 40 free mu a 45. 45 times 30 billion. Mo amoya you mo nya na mo test ba ye ne 45 ministers times 30 billion.
We no kura on san fa salon car nkan ho.
Me fa kan ho.
We Land Cruiser nkan.
Me jina Land Cruiser no pe. Na yen hwe how ye betima save this country a lot of money. Bra man for every koba o ye ka de say market akika hodum a yentimi nye yanka se betima resist e de ayesa no.
Ya na nkrofo ka se politician man no ye de pa o.
Ya no e de ne.
Because asema wo kan na mo wa ban mu.
Asema me kan.
Ansa na obu befu no na wa ban ni mu. Is it that more kind? Maybe Hobson. Is it that more kind? And one kasa wa bind that down. That's what you kunya so no. Omwenti. Anase mu free mu no. And mu who said there be ye ni say be yi. No, I just want to answer that question. You are
misleading there.
No, I'm not misleading.
You are misleading the listeners.
Me too.
Aban we eye hwan aban.
Me no nyina aban.
No. Why the eto ababa no?
Eto ababa na na aduna Akufo-Addo.
And next what is here appointed new board for GBC graphic ni ande. Why they appointed womo?
Na aduna Akufo-Addo.
So what are you talking about? And nipa na wo pese obeye president ni kire say ana me pese me ye.
It's that we can went.
Oh, why I don't know.
No, I want us to establish that.
You see, stop that question. It's unnecessary.
I didn't hear.
What been the president no say these are the ministers have the be adwuma. Wo kwa de yen. Okay. Dia na wo kwa.
Okay.
Media for mo ka go see say.
Oh, okay.
Et you don't dey a unnecessary question. Ne oje leader no. Look, what can ya others no e di America. John Mahama so the 60 anami wa. But Umianzu so the 50. Now say okwa GTP do
and I'm also say more the 40.
Yeah, the 40. Tie,
okay.
Okwa page 40-41 of the GTP. Ministries are or the beye adwumani. Meka obi antie e wo honom. Empa ho. Da obi ka serve the 60 do be jam the 60. Na wa amfan to paper so a mu hodu no. Mu pese mu hu ministries are the beye adwuma. Be the 50 na ba no amfan to paper so a wo boa. O wie no the 102 eba obeka se o ono ne de say enka social contract no.
Na say be kura mutimi the to paper so but mu be duru an ka say oh wo hwe exigencies a wo hwe demands a wo ho a aye prudent say wo
say adwuma no.
Aye prudent say wo say
can you give one example?
Oh say me kai say omampani dada kofo. There was a time where Ministry of Education or the kind of sports but I think either him or the next government or the sports if education simply because or say or share a year demands a war mienu na ehia se be separate so between our function well
different from asema na wo come me say ministry president who have powers to create your ministries. Eti president bi ba no kasa me the 500 na be adwuma. That is the president's ayi. What you say? Obi so kasa me the 40 de ba be adwuma. That is ba me pese. Yes, establish say wo the 40 dia, let us see so that open ho a yetima hodu. I don't na me be ma evidence no. Now, o man perinda da akufo ya da mo ye yi no. A wo ka say oh, ye wo aban mu ni animu sa no. It was on fuel. Enye manifesto. It was fuel. A wo mu gina platform so say ye ba betete so. E no no oba ya wo mu bisa the question bi say oh, say na mo kai no ka say oh, in fact ni anim say sa na tie. Na de bi o mu dia to paper so de ye hold to it. And it na me say GTP no mu wa wo kita bi wo page 40 a. Waka public sector reforms. And worker say reduce the size of government, including appointing not more than 40 ministers. And then it composed of the following. Number 1, Justice and Attorney General. Number 2, and then you were Minister of Finance and you were Minister of Trade and Industry. Alan so bekasa 2 yabu. Finance and trade. It was Kambomwa, a Minister of Finance, Economy, Trade and Industry.
Okay.
And then Minister of Finance, you were ministers and ministers of state deputies 4. Woko trader, you were 4. So 2 ministries you pay, am 8 ministers. Tieni yo.
It you.
Am 8 ministers. Now, unless we cancel 2 ministries you bomwa, we benya the substantive minister of Finance, Trade and Industry. Now when you 2 ministers of state, Bako in charge of trade and industry, and the other one is in charge of finance and economy. It is a 2 na ekita 8, you know. Wakati no ababeye 3 ministers. Wati 5 for free so. 5 times 30 billion of Land Cruiser. And my 150 billion OCDs. Konkrana si bina kokohwe. Ye pe squad ye pe ngonyantana so. Sa si kandia de ndimi. Number 3, food, agriculture and fisheries. Adentina esi enya fisheries ministry, ni enya food and agriculture any ade. Waka 2 we yabo. Obenya 1 minister, no deputy, no minister of state. Obenya foreign affairs and regional cooperation, 1 minister, no deputy. Ministry of Defense, 1 minister, no deputy. 6, Minister of Education. Obenya substantive minister and then minister of state in charge of basic and secondary education. Enti ho ebenya 2. Currently am so mo ye 4 na ho no. So ho ne je no. Ni akọ Ministry of Health. Ye benya substantive minister. Then a minister of state in charge of traditional medicine and mental health.
Oh, okay.
Te ye heba ayi a ekosui. Once a ban share that man attention. And Alan was so be making sure say o mo benya attention.
I see.
Eti current ministry ekita about 3 ministers no. Alamba esobeti about 2.
All right.
Now, share number 9. Ministry of Infrastructure. Ehodom na ministries bako 7 yakabo mo no 1.
Eno ye de one.
The edikan transport.
Okay.
Roads and highways. Yayi railways in so aka ho.
Okay.
Aviation say the aviation ground there afrim. Then port and harbor ababeka ho. Then communication and digitalization. Baso. Now works and housing. Baso. Sanitation. Baso. And natural public housing and water system, sanitation, waste management. So 7 ministries. Ebia e 3 ministers as we speak. Nitu kabomwa 21. Alan kani nyina bomwa babade 1 ministry. No were ye substantive minister for infrastructure. Then aside that, you know, or babe ye 1, 2, 3 ministers.
Deputy ministers.
Ministers of state.
Ministers of state. Okay.
Yemfa say omo yes sir, yemfa say deputy. Nieti a one ye ni deputy no, or ye the ministers of state no. Say a basse will be ni wa baako etimi take over straight. You don't need to go to vetting again.
I see.
So who adwen kase na ode ya dem. Good. Eti say out of 21 ministers, you know, waka saa 7 when nyina bom aba benya just 4 ministers. Wakati 7 ministers away. 17. Wakati 17 away. Eti Land Cruiser baku 17 anke yebeto no. Ye yefrim. Eti fa 30 billion times 17. Me so utifia wo de trotro. Ye calculation that wo trotro.
All right.
So we dey no. Then number 10, energy and then lands and natural resources. Wakabum iron 1. And also no yebenya minister of state. You can say substantive minister. Nyanya minister of state in charge of lands, minerals, resources. Now yako youth and sport. 1 minister. No local government and decentralization. Number 12. 1 minister. Environment, science, technology and innovation. 1 minister. Tourism and culture. When you say tourism ministry and your chieftaincy ministry, wakabum, eti and also no just 1 minister. And your labor, minister of labor, manpower and then employment relations, on also 1. Then the 16, women, children and social welfare. What your persons with disability, the aged, vulnerable groups to know. On also 1 minister.
One.
Eti oye we nyina you get 24 ministers.
So it will save us a lot of money.
A lot of money.
I see.
Sasika na asevu ye no. Yeti peje bibia mana benefit the people of this country.
Okay. Now, last week, the Japadia book reader na nipa bibiri na te ho asem. A na nkrofo etutu ne sene abasa. But if there's one particular person what the Ghana for ye pa amane His Excellency the President of the Republic a react here. Ama even before yebenya reaction from His Excellency the President of the Republic no. Na oche hene so a react over the weekend. Eye wo Hobson Adoye. Oche hene say book na Hobson wahenham wa eka ho asem na opese Ghana for agidie se ekuo bi wo Ghana memu ha omaye omadwen se omode mpapa mu beba omamadwen so be se omunye omo ho tam enya no kore na odwene ho a wonte ase se nipa dase ne betimi atena se na wa fabricate such lies e dia to eye oche hene any I mean achim for so. Of course, the President of the Republic and also asema o can say every single allegation in that book a fabrication na mi kotu no or say the recent fabrication a japade falsely claims a grand scheme by my party to annex state assets. This baseless document is a clear attempt to mislead and create distrust. Now, say Japadia noa, Hobson, when you bre, can Ghana for pesa Ghana for jino, ajumpobina nipa bi mo aba, chese, omo pese, omo me nipa bi fa, the party MPP hot time, na fi so, it created disaffection for him and then his party. Hobson.
Sasa mwe wakano wafanye. Oka baby wakano.
Okay. So we and yeah.
JBC board ne.
Yes. No inaugurate. Yes.
Obi antie ni ye. Na president inaugurate JBC board.
Ghana Broadcasting Corporation.
Yes. Ana graphic communication then Times.
Who's your media?
Mo ni na mutim meka sembi wa hasi ajam. Dunia.
Yay.
Bese achemfon omu ko school. Se JB dan kwa mo start omu nya kwan kwa brochire ni ade nto omu ma no so ko school. Omu asua de. Most of them are lawyers. Who di abroad na adwene be beat you. One was asem a working. Wakwakofa and my party. MPP was ade we mu. Ajapade we MPP wo. Ebusia ko bi Ghana ajapade. Once what the party befra. What the party babe for him to save them, and that one will not wash. I'm telling him, he's my good friend. Respectfully, it will not wash.
Hope say me person you can establish the way before you go into it. Why you Juma ewo abandon them o party dadanim as a member of the national security architecture role na o play o party nim na ba no eye security ho nsensem a na chese enya asem keto akra ye Ghana fo pese omhu se buku a hopes na do ye da wanyimi eye janimi nukrom enye ade bi obi ahyeda a fabricate se obese ochim Ghana fo adwene na afei o ma Ghana fo nya time bi de ma abusua ko bi hopsen
yo buku EPA 2016 proud to elections.
Okay.
Anna MPP winning elections, there was a review, early stages. I quite remember 2018. Obia was a member of National Communications team of MPP. There was a meeting. Yabuabia someone stood and raised, say, document is saying naba. Now, how are we going to handle it?
If you find a buy, document if you find a buy.
Oh, one of the made animal.
Okay, me too.
Someone make an
me too, pa.
Communication director say document abani. Wanya be our kind. Na emu Gabi was at the meeting or Robeshe, I don't know. Mufantunche na say. Look, Enra, I had a conversation with someone, and this document, only one copy was printed by the architecture of this. I can't say document. The architect of this document. One more printed just one copy. They lock it under safe. When I heard the story, I said, "Wow." Now, I may say now at the early stages, now the GDB cost war baby. Now, one particular meeting, they forgot to lock the book. The party pick ya, what's your book ya, my print ya? Which I won't say, I said, yeah, you two mukatra.
Yeah.
Nipan fire or photocopy ye, sharp. A two say, not tona no grano, yasa. What photocopy ya woko drew fieno? And no find the phone, and was scanning ye, a put into soft copy. Emma man for, and ye be king kind. So because a sabook way, a fisher, and the pano, sabe. Maybe I know one kind ye. So what can ya no analyze it? Binia, a break a crowd. What dear?
Oh, your break, pa.
Yen that time, and then make kind of forward no in full. First, the other me to tomb. And the forward no.
All right, I will be on my Facebook. Akoma 87.9 FM.
Good.
Book no.
Yeah, be
Eda ho. Baby obekan bia ya de beto ye Facebook. It is owo akonya so betimi aba Facebook a me patro ye driver ni a fa waso keke ni tie. Ye mpese obenya asem bia. O ye driver ni a o de ye waso. Enye se o fa phone no akọ bie Facebook na afi akọ to nkrofo magu o de fa waso tie. Na mom wa akonya se obetimi ahwe ne de o de bra Facebook na ebehwe de Hobson Adoye kan but Hobson me bansa COVID organic tiger nut powder e wo so onya bisamri bia ade na duro no kope COVID no na e de fanso hye de ohia ni so hye na fagum na fasi wanim na fanya ntobase pa we eye 100% organic eye ma unipadua no papapare we are diabetic atimi ha o sugar level no be ko form Allah o sugar level no ebeba form ama papa ade a wo hia eye COVID o moja no so betimi adi afusani ye hwe o blood no yesi afre bi blood pressure e wo form a enye e koso so dia wawu e 2% eye normal se ni yakopon hyehye no na setimi di afusani ye wo ni padua ni mu ade me kanfo ama eye COVID organic tiger nut powder atadwisam enwani a ye di no nwani no bi wo mu a eboa pa ma nipadua no etimi eye adwuma yie eno ye vitamins ene antioxidants eno no kire se e wo se nipadua no timi kutia yare a unhia paracetamol ene biku COVID organic tiger nut beboa e ma immune system no agina yie papa ama yare bi e ba galaway afeso so sesrade e na adolu nipadua maka cho sesrade dole wa stroke ehu nya COVID na nane ni nyina mfama wo oba wa wo foforo uhia nufusuo de ma akwada no Kovi organic tiger nut ebe ma onufu no ahyehye na wanya bi so e dia serve akwada no. Kovi organic tiger nut powder atadusam eye aduro emu aduane papa nti oba Akoma FM ha benye bi ato poku trade na aduma bi wo ho Western Pharmacy so line bi wo ho Freddy Men's Herbal Dr. Mensa KO bi wo ho Silver Crest Supermarket Bantama obenya bi ato Edusa Herbal Macro Goil Filling Station ho ebi wo ho Wisdom Amachi Supermarket Tech Junction obenya bi ato afa PFA Pharmacy Tafo ebi wo ho woko pharmacy shop biare wo Ghana ha obenya Kovi organic tiger na do kono odi bi enye papa pharmacy shop na enye papa pharmacy shop papa bia de e yade se obenya Kovi organic tiger nut powder atadusam no ebi ato opese utua anase ope dodoa ato a obetimi afre 0548 405007 0548 405007 and I say 0206 335311 0206 335311 Kovi tiger nut powder or say mawaduane enye wadru Akoma FM yenye mfie num hooray Akoma FM yenye mfie num hooray nyame adomo ayedi fufu party we special fufu party eye grande brabedidi benom hwenkwan renam uyeso a ose bedi asa ka ho wo favorite artist ene de neba nyame adomo a 10th of August na se memene da eba ni na wo pepepe ye nyina ebehia ewo eye assembly ha eye Asokwa municipal assembly anim ho park bi ewo ho no eho ni yehia ni abedidi ato nwom ni adi asaka ho so ho Hobson obeba bi chema wuntumi obeba bi obia eba so ho obia eba na nakwasi chema na nakwasi so eba obia eba so ho 8 am no watch pepe na yehia ewo ho ebia for party say when you third edition o eye ofe keke opese wo boa sika ye beje wo nantwie wo dwan wo aponche fabra wo nsunam fabra banche bode atosode ni nyina mo famra na ubetimi afre 0209 119090 0209 119090 muncheche mu nyina no ubetimi afre number ya ono so ebetimi aboa pa adwumaku a omoboa ifufu party no medimafo herba grofine herba tonic Mira palm nut paste Mira tomatoes paste and Mira agushi mix OBBN Blackman Company Del seasoning powder Lazy tomatoes paste St. Ben Jewelry omo afon kwanta Live Long Nutrition and Diet Clinic atonso ahensan bonsum Traffic Studio Adum Ventures so ewo Adum ejaba omo ben ejaba jewelry omo no curtains any blanket and omo ton Upper Create and Art Fashion School omo atonso S line and SAP Music and IT Services Asokwa Baptist Premises ubenya ubehu omo ho Ghana Tourism Authority Flora Tissue MJC Foods so Santasi Runabout omo ben mekom ho and na udedem company limited and as a company almost so Ephibites omo ena ede abedwa so na atop bars ahodua omo ba jai Betty's Kitchen Freeman Hotel ohono wode bia hwayema Stay Bright Chop Bar adwen kwanta de chem so obefa ne la Sisi Chop Bar and also tano so obadwuna se wa bisu ho hye oba fo wa de chem so yekwa papa afi confidence eating play da kodwom we die o say yenim ne free tete overhead view Chop Bar heya so mi base back up am ne say John yekwa pa ye asokwa ye friends Akoma FM ye tri heya ya de say omoso ebutuo omoba na afi ye fufu party no omo abekan ho na afi ye didi na yawe nam aha Akoma 87.9 FM samre mabato odwumadie na ye de bro Hobson adoye ewo fia ha sami odie wram ewo ejapade bukunu Hobson yango
minia say president ka say oye specific say NDC for natural book no hey NDC for natural book ana book no ye adwuma ehu akoye say obi aka say Tremoniatro Bible ama Christopher say ono no mo fanya sorry na Christopher de sa pepepe ana opese wo kire yen so hu ne tie no Now, Yanko, the forward, first paragraph. Was it to our future, made up of the present and the unborn, for whom this will of a nation is being prepared? To our foremost king, Oforipeni, the progenies spread across the world, for whom and to whom alone this sacred document is prepared. Nye wo pa kire nyina ne se ye hwe ye daache a eye ene ye ma ne ye nana kanso amo a ye nwo wo mo ane ye oman yi nyina japade e de ama wo mo. Now ye hene a chese no odi kan a ye frɛ no Oforipeni wono ana omo ye sade we nyina so e de ahye na numonyam. Muntie de yo wado no omo ye de ahye na numonyam. Ye ko was it as the heads of Nana Apianim Kwamframa, Nana Kuntunkunkun, and Oforipeni, our people were never defeated in the wars of old. We were nobody's subject, and yet, after 1957, we were made to live in the shadows of the descendants of people who never defeated us in the war, whilst the Ashanti Kingdom was uplifted to put us in the shade. We are certainly now with you. Me catch re imkrofo bi say MPP ade na na ekoso no eye more of trouble than politics. No mo ntia se ye blindfoldu omo just to mislead them. And omo succeed so because omo nim huma, omo akọ school, omo use adwene no nyansa no e de biti won. Won asem a wo ka won ha sei. Wo se sa omo mpanimfo anyina eye nkrofo a yan defeat omo chese omo anko akon ame amro omo anase yan ni omo so nkunimu da. Enso so after 1957 ye kan say fa hodie baaye no afede omo pia achemfo no ekokoshe sumase ana omo ma asantefo so what
Ntiopa
eti me say asem we ya ye kan wo ye MPP ni mefo anu metum except say wo ya chimni asem we kafa wo ho na so ya senti dia mefo anu metum because who defend this idea way wo nana no mo will never forgive you. Ye ba bekom wo ba ho said wo magige Ghana japade a wo mo say this for natural and na ye aduma ye implement it. Jesus Christ echedidi ya ma asante eso ade aka achemfo ahye eti say de wo manya kwan no muntie na edidi so wo say with arrival of Nanado we see the rebirth of second JB Dankwa who has come to rescue. So what you say akufo adu abedi akonya idie second JB Dankwa na aba no eti oba beje wo mo afri sumu an omo hyemu woti hodom say ya wo metu munti wo defende. You don't know hwe was it fully cognizant that we were currently part of modern nation of Ghana, the name of which was originally proposed by the illustrious son of Oforipeni of Ochimai, JB Dankwa, and aware that it is currently made up of other diverse people. We have to assert our old selves and ensure that we no longer continue to live in the shadow of other kings and peoples whose forebear we defeated in war. So what you say? Say no. Omo ba be make sure say ene Ghana ya ye wo mu ende. Eye wo mu ankasa wo mu ba wo mu papa wo mu nana a ye Fred JB Dankwa and the proposal din no. And o proposal din no so no aba no ama ya kwa lift nkrofo foforo bi. Ya lifting nkrofo foforo bi. San nkrofo foforo ne he asantefo. So when they no. Eti these are some of the things. The next was in spite of our tremendous contribution to this Ghana entity, Ochimai has not been credited with the appropriate health and grandeur that we rightly deserve in recent times. Etiebi fi say JB Dankwa na share ekonase. Woye Ochini and up to now yentimi ma omusu ye. Eti said na Akufo-Addo abadia and yesisi etimi ma omusu. Mo trimpodo. E where you forward no. The area eba beba nsem no so. Mo yem be hyehyebo ene. Hwe woko eye yadru ye ka de say. Paragraph 5 was it currently with Nanado in total control of the whole entity of Ghana. We have a duty to ensure that we take over the commanding height of essential fabrics of the country in order that even in the event that Nana leaves the scene after the mandatory 8 years, the sons and daughters of Ochimai will be firmly secured and such control both financially and economically that we can no longer be ignored in the battle to control the destiny of Ghana. Say ya Nana Akufo-Addo abai awabedi oma yisui. Eye omo asede se omo make sure say Ghana sikasem Ghana japade omo betimanya ni nyina aba Ochimai ama omo ma ene omo na nkanso amo a take you over. Said ye be ya omo ka se Ghana mpunu na epunu. Eduriye was it easy for the joy? Hey, and easy for you, the nation's prophet. What do you call Betty? Was it to achieve this? We need to appropriate the fundamental economic and financial levers, which would guarantee such control in years to come. Very simple. In doing this, we need to be strategic. Munti haseo, as I before Mumia wasum na munti. Mumia wasum. That is paragraph, you saying, 7 or so. Paragraph 7. In doing this, we need to be strategic. We will have to work with other people from some of the diverse ethnic groups, including some carefully selected people in Ashanti and other diverse ethnicities or land. This will make them believe that they also have a hand in the pie. It will obscure any suspicion that the project is essentially an Ofori-Penny project. This point is crucial because with electoral politics, we have to have our eyes on the numbers in the electoral process. We cannot be blatant until we are completely secured in the endeavor. It is especially so because so far the Ashantis constitute the single most populous ethnic groups in the country. Where was this for Nigeria? Wait. And this is for the Cocoa way. Share. What must say? A Jumana or Modiano. As some we are strategic. Because as is so munya and crofo from other ayi. Na Ashanti no, womo ye G incrophobi carefully selected. Yen selecting crofobia mekahon. Said ye beya or munya suspicious. No muba who say, oh. Adenokrano eye gina ye dia na se omoye ne saa eno ene betima bo omo na omoye saa no so no omo mu omo ani ngu election ba be ye number dodo nipa dodo e ba beto aba no na wo hwe the whole Ghana asantifo ena eye tribe ba ko a omo doso pa e ba bato omo a eti enyusu omo ne enfa achieve ayo ngwangwa se ye ba be ko MPP be ko primaries na santifo mpedinfo ni bi omo MPP mu asore agina na omo kotie omo anka se omo nkrofo Kobre Japan from Ashanti region, Adeni move from Ashanti region, Boacha Jako from Ashanti region, Alan Chemante from Ashanti region, Free Akoto from Ashanti region, Kojo Pokunsafwa from Ashanti region. 6. That's anti-form penny for more party move from Ashanti region. No more quoting as uncle for way now. Now, would you? Ya do paragraph 9. Will be a mere national was it although the Ashanti group within the current MPP is gearing itself to take over the party after Nana Akufo-Addo's tenure in 2024. It would be ideal if we could work to bypass them in 2024. Jesus Christ. With hard work, we could work to pass the mantle over to a non-account person. Hey, preferably from the north, under whose presidency we could secure the maturity of our takeover project. We say NDC for natural way. Sadly, we abamwana say mamu. Abamwana say mamu. Look, we say asantifo a ewo party no mu. Wo mo bo mo ho say wo mo ana wo mo be take over. Wo mo be gi party no. E brand na Akufo-Addo e de na djuma e ba wie 2024. Nanso so no wo mo ngire wo mo ho say wo mo be gi adwuma amana twa asantifo no ho 2024. Wo mo nya say wo mo de tumi no e be hye wo bi a wonya kanni ensem. Na mom se be ye de a wo mo mpa obi ofiri srem no mo fama no. Na sa nipa na ofiri srem no e be ye president a eno ana sa wo mo take over project ajapade o mo jama o mo ne o mo asefo no e betimi aba wieye. Hey, and me no ka say MPP Fragbearer of River.
Officer.
So officer.
Yeah.
Just we hey aboma na say mamu.
And surprisingly, say book way by before the primaries, right? Mm-hmm. The presidential primaries.
Mm-hmm. Me say 2008 communication meeting you release at the as your plan again say e cost one by one. E cost one by one.
You mean 2008?
What's saying?
Was it
2018?
2018.
Yeah, 2018. Na bushia sa abushia omo ka omo ho asem wa he. Hwe omo symbol ena da yinusu no. Enya me na bitwero buku we. Enti buku ya ba na mo symbol da so. Na se ye ka bia. Wo ma me ka se eyayi. Na obi kwaka obi obeje adi no. Esese ye kokohwe ne tim. Abushia na ese budi ka kohwehwe mu tim first. Sebu beti magiga da japade nyina de abombo se monkwa na mofa. The way you can we are this is a public document. We are going to digest it. We are going to explain it. We are going to analyze it for people to understand. Abushia ba kuntimi fa Ghana japade nyina. Abushia ba kuntimi nyasa. Hwe me de sa paragraph we AC na mawie e hono mo no. What say? To be specific, we need to strengthen our effort to control the mineral resources. To be specific, we need to strengthen our effort to control the mineral resources as well as the electricity and water institutions. Hey. The success of this project depends on the way in which we, the mafias, for the time being control the judiciary and the press. Why would you appoint judges to Supreme Court to be brain?
But well, okay.
I talk wrong.
No, well, would you? I will have time and interrogate.
Me say.
Me interrogate.
Why would you appoint Supreme Court judges be brain? Everybody is complaining. Civil society will be complaining. Why the park in the Supreme Court? And the media. Almost succeeded. And I'll tell you why they've succeeded. Now, the forward, Anamaka Wasebno. She Yanko a Yidangasaso. The Yanshe a dear, Edna a Shishahodum. 87.9 Yako. I'm here, good.
Oh, time.
Meshe the salient point near SSA, Mede Barbon Team Biano, that Mede Enuaba. Why introduction, Waka Eho, introduction of Memoso, or now phase 1 overview. Sa document you are more prepared. Phase 1, a dear and a SSA is here. Was it the first phase of the economic and financial sector control was to be implemented in Nane's first term of office. as we get closer to the end of the first term, we have set the ball rolling regarding the objectives set out in our first document. What it? We they say way 2018. Book nususu PA close to 2016 elections. And to once work the first document, the review any. And to Obama, the first term, and now we say, we must set a ball rolling. Regarding the objectives set out in our first document. Pedibi kache me say first document e ba do, na di ne ye asase. Asase radio ba ye no. Ona msi ebe confirm. Ana mu chenye di ne ye na japade.
Ahaya Akoma 87.9 FM. Mabato djumedi na wotie no ne hopes na doye. Na social media unravel ejapade book or say about 2018 hopes into aso.
Now, what was it there have been difficulties largely due to some pitfalls on our part. For example, the control of electricity sector. The control of electricity sector could have been handled better had it not been for the greed of some of the non-Achim elite we had included as cover. Electricity, or more than my PDS,
yes, PDS.
Yeah, done electricity at the ma PDS. Yes, say at the ma and crown cross on your day. 100.
Yeah.
One book no. Was some cock of far, and Crofoka crabby, our money Achim for. Ebe can said the bear, ebe cover the face. But some Crofonum don't become no we greedy, and a 2 pie.
Oh.
The electricity to over answer mamba.
Per the book, and the work in there.
And fire.
Nesenka, so say oh, okay. Because look at say
PDS you more grown has 6 months. Anna minister Amawu echo expose you say e can say wo mo guarantee no mo buy dey fake.
Fake yeah.
And you twa mu. E ti say enya Amawu na wo buy e bebe expose you ya.
It on the non-conformist.
What say?
Amawu na the non-conformist.
Dabi wonu na ye minister.
I understand but un say o ka say had it not been okay.
Dabi me say ade no.
Okay.
One na ye minister on the sign agreement no.
Yeah.
It is say wan hwe di ya dachi obekọ court.
Okay.
Edi ti wo hu ye na na obe expose ye. But omu group omu techire. And omu say omu kokọ fan krofo na omu nyachim for beka ho. But omu no omu ye greedy.
Okay.
Eno na ma ade no to kokọ pae.
I see.
Abam. Enti ndisi fo atro. Ana mo implement it. Eish. Hey, Mr. Ghana for ye japade a ye nkola esiso mu benya ma ye ntrase e mabusha ba komfa bugu we say ya me bible me da me kan me sori a me kan na mu se mo hu e mu se mo hu he hwe se ene ya na ye kan say President Koko eyeyi me pese muhu se nyoma ni bi wo hono mu a enne na wo kokko gina ho ka se NDC for na atworo no tie the takeover of GBC and the acquisition of significant equity holdings in the GATT assisted banks represent our strategy for direct prey in the commercial banking space. Oh, me can CBG, sorry. Meko can say GBC there no and under media control. Okay. I will go there. Yeah. Now, wopa a year walking about banking. Banking. Kwanya ombefa so omobe take you over the banking. That one is the phase 2 of the implementation of the document. One more kasa about banking and then insurance. Now, in the book, almost 30 say SIC a government insurance company na SIC on na insure all government properties everything. Yen piano in chain. Nien konko fa enterprise insurance eye kenofori atade enfamra abamu anase mamu.
Well, we cannot. Yes.
But I'm telling you, say, every government insurance, one fan enterprise insurance.
I know you knew what dance here. You knew what dance here. Pay the okay. Na make us say you knew who being you knew what dance here. Yeah.
Or more. Yeah, do more public sector no muti no. Or more dance here. Or money.
Yeah, make us say yeah, knew what dance here.
I say unya what dance here. But publications to come about every day. Budget statement ewo ho. I say unya what dance here. Yeah, mamunye hu for mon kasa to the issue.
No, you see, but as a matter of fact, yeah, knew what dance here. That one we cannot say here.
Budget statement, I won't kind. Budget statement, I won't kind. You can say enterprise insurance and insure everything. I won't kind. So, I don't know, under banking, or more categorizing into 3. 1, your mother. Term of the amano. Number 2, your biological children. Then number 3, your adopted children. Now, under modern or more referred to Bank of Ghana. Was it control of the mother is essentially control of the mother is essential to control the industry. So far, the head of the mother and his first deputy are strongly aligned to our cause. Just a governor of Bank of Ghana and then the first deputy. Now, they are from our compound and we perceive no threat from these two. Omo free compound say. Omo free abusuanu mu a, omo from masase no so. Sa governor and the deputy, the first deputy no, according to the book no, omo from masase no so. Eti ehu ba kokra enim. Eish. Ghana. Mwami anje Ghana nsi ho a, ye ma. Ye ngi chede da ho mu di ma, omo be kenkan sa di we pa hwe omo be hwe no. Hwe omo be hwe no. Eti wo ye bushia wote asantimamu wa bushia eti ho wote ho ba be defend obi a wo te sa Ghana japade e di ama na bushia na ohu eti wakasa di we. The second deputy appeases the gender advocate and is also not a source of discomfort. Just I don't know won from compound ho but ojina musa ne be ya gender issue. When you said the second deputy no oyoba yeah. Eti no wono no just wonye bibia e ha wo madwene. Waka baby was it in that situation the first deputy I said my batra baby was it in vain in this vein there is no need for changes in those places. It is however noted that the head is likely to reach retirement age before the end of phase 2. Eti answer na phase 2 no beso no. Let's just say head na eye governor na wakọ retirement. No wakọ retirement e dey necessity. In that situation, the first deputy would have to be supported to take over. Replacement of first deputy in such circumstances would not be by promoting the second deputy into the role of the first. Rather, a strong Bawumia loyalist should be appointed to the role to further strengthen the Bawumia political cause. Wahu baby a wamudia babeshe ho. Kete. Wahu niate no. Now, this is in line with protecting the legacy of Nana. Could enable us to sidestep and further alienate the Kufuor fashion. Ahana semono wo. One when you grow from market, one man from Munsanga. One more year wedding that yet get Kufuor fashion film.
So what happens to Dr. Matipuku Prempe?
What if I know to her? But me we book no meba ho. What do you do between a man for enya we no. So onyete no, yen tampi won. That is the mother. Now, biological children. Was it that these are banks in which we should have controlling interest. The collapse of local banks with ties to the opposition, NDC, and other rival political factions during the cleanup operations undertaken by the mother, which is Bank of Ghana, was a resounding success. What would be a say resounding success? Mwada Muya Juma, our GN Bank, Mwada Muya Juma war, Amwatin Bank, nobody say, UT Bank, Mwada Muya Juma war, Uni Bank, and in the Akaka Hunginano, Mati, Yapamu Mutifi, will be say a resounding success. It facilitated the flow of substantial financial resources into our war fund through backflow. Into our war fund through backflow of some of the advertised cleanup cost. Media. Sika wamude sa wamudi krosu bank no. Sa okay. 21 billion.
Yeah.
So how no mojo ayaza. Sika ne bebre ya say war bank backflow ya dia kogu ho. Ya dia kogu ho. Ti asem bi omukan NDC for ada say you know alanche manti be win this elections na money so atem hwan. Ti asem omukan was it the NDC has been poor incoherently and consistently demanding detailed accountability and audit of the fund spent. Sika no mo so mo dia kogu banks no 21 billion no o mo state send this for ya kwadro o mo da o mo tonko o mo ntimi anje ye can send details of it as I say audit o mo ntimi audit no mo say eye no kre no o mo da I don't know much on is it not true and this woman I o mo da yanko adopted children. Adopted children, was it these are the top banks in the local scene with largely foreign ownership that we will not be able to take controlling equity stake. However, we still need to wield substantial influence in their operations through leverage over key management personnel and some board members. The aim here is not necessarily direct financial contributions from these banks, but rather to assure funding for private businesses aligned to our cause. Money laundry, a hot year de befa. Bogudu na juro. Enye so mu pese omunya control. Me aban na be appointing MD because bank ni nya odia. Eti na ya adopted no. Eti esi so omunya influential people on their boards and ye can say personnel ebi omu ye ya ye kan kwa because ko do baby bo say eyi absa Baba kwa as I said omu use diplomatic means no mutimi influence appointment no from South Africa na yemfa omu nkrofobi enkonkwahye hodom to on the twasika no mu free yi na eba na gumu sa na ye twenko and is adopted children no banks no ebi ye Absa Eco Bank this be Stanbic and the akakeka ho ya tro ni na e wo buku yi mu wo se den e fiction ba min kan Eco Bank ode no na entimi nya ni ye pa na manfo enya ni ye Eco Bank tie ni omo ka because so wahu botaya wo mo de wura sa banks no se enye so mo pese omo control na mom ese se management board eni ade no wo mo timi nya influential people ho enti se sika bi ba wo mo de be ye omo private ya e fa ho no mo a na boko ni atwea fa mu ni ade ko book no na eka mebo nipa bi a ya boni din wom se oye co-writer mebo din atro bia Koko 2 under Ecobank was it we have two routes of entry into these institutions. First is through Senate, which has a seat on the board of Ecobank Ghana by virtue of its shareholding. This seat is occupied by Director General of Senate. In phase 2 of our agenda, in phase 2 of our agenda, Kofi Bosompem Osafo Mafo, who is a Deputy Director General of Senate, should be made the Director General to give him the seat on the Ecobank Ghana board. And then Minu say, why the Director General Senate?
Osafo Mafo ban.
Kofi Bosompem Osafo Mafo. Adia way 2018. And you are telling me say a fiction. You are telling me say and this is for natural. Ish. Then this is for Munshasian prophesy. And I didn't have me. And them defe. Et it is some numbers omuga. Ready. Share insurance. Now me ka sembi. Now say what there we need evidence. Betty. Insurance no omo group ni say say ni omo group banks na pepepe. Your mother, your biological children and then adopted children. Mother no was it the current team at the helm of National Insurance Commission, especially the insurance commissioner, is well aligned and so far has worked effectively in furtherance to our objectives. So what? The commissioner of the kind of National Insurance Commission was it what just say oye omudoba. Ejuma wo die nyina no eye ne papa Akoma pe anu. This has underscored a clear understanding of loyalty to Nanado and our broader political objectives. Hey, you commissioner for National Insurance Commission di mami. Yes, said here, just say, what you loyal to Akufo-Addo no? Anna, what more political objectives say, what more the be control Ghana no? Was say papa no ye aligned to it. Wakika can win na ewo ho. Uko biological children na tie ni oka ho. Say National Insurance Commission in the under Ghana more than Akwa as a Bank of Ghana. Eti yeba biological children. The enterprise group is the dominant leader of the insurance industry, and its position has been strongly enhanced since the coming into power of MPP government in 2017. There is really no need to aggressively pursue direct acquisition of additional insurance companies. Somebody. The phase 2 of strategies for continuous control, including the following: 1. Continue to push major government insurance deal to enterprise insurance. Me say enterprise they say him say can for that.
Yeah.
Only the word answer say there. We should continue to push all government deals into enterprise insurance. 2. Sponsor elections of candidates to executive positions of key labor unions such as NAT, NAGRAT, UTAG, TUTAG, GMA, etc., so they can influence the appointment of enterprise trustees and enterprise investment limited as trustees or fund managers of tier 2 and 3 pensions fund of those labor unions. Look, adumayefo aketua yetete, senator yetete, eni ade no. Aban say wa chichemu. Eti aban ebehwe efa. Na tier 2, tier 3, yemfama private insurance for na omo enrane ema workers. Eti edruso a sa group we omo betam sika kese e dia ma omo pe ebia nat ye kan say chairman nagrat ye kan say chairman GMA e din dia kai ka ho no ye tam sika ma omo ne make sure so omo awene omo weni a ye ka say ye tier 2 tier 3 say ne ya no omo dia kire omo ntimi nkasa enini eda black and white. Black and white. It is so be say, hey, I do with ye, a fictional. Let me tell you, adopted children, you walk on. Was it there is no active strategy for influence of the other insurance company beyond appointment of the board and senior management of SIC group? The SIC there, one must that ni proper strategy bia. No beti maya ni say. A board no ne senior management no because e ho no o ma ye ho no redundant bibia nkoso wo ho bibia ko enterprise insurance anti ho omo kwa ko waste time aye den ho nom so won ete no eti senior management board ayi no and omo fan toto ho keke no omo nyi omo ni no omo pɛ omo ba bi ntra and people are saying again say adiwe aye fiction adia asemo abika nyina happen one after the other and people are still saying say aye fiction. Hey, one who from fire channel say, oh, maybe I'm here. What be that? Oh, that be me, we be brother. My first time I achieve me. A bia na ekoso no. Me say, someone called me. I don't say, that the way me gidi a make am one say, me say me gidi ba. Me reason. Me say bibia wo mu bia ba one by one. Ya na manfo na edit ya na me say me copy we me print ya che. Obi anya ye no edit. Ade no kwaso. 87.9. Eno na nipa no ba be ka kire me say the original document was called Asase. No mo fi say ya jimi wo hu. Ya jimi yo. Me fra nguna mamu. Aguna busia. We are part of the you can say nation's property. Bibi bia ewo Ghana sase so eye Ghana fo dia bia no me so me ka ho wo ye santini wo ka ho wo ye dakati ni wo ka ho wo ye nzimani wo ka ho achemfo nso so ka ho na denti ni aba makwan ama busua ko baako asesa ni nyina bibia hwe me ni wo ka sei about mamemra and oil and gas ti ade huhuhu bia wa hase de ye bia manfo beti ase de enti agalamse ye ntimi nto ase da no amanfo beti ase ye ba undermining oil and gas industries was say our mining as well as oil and gas strategies constitute a major plank of the blueprint for controlling the extraction of natural resources which God has generously bestowed on Ghana, particularly the Achem land. So what? After I say, growing environmental factors are rendering risky our use of illegal small-scale mining, galamsey, as a source of financing our political objectives. So what? Chese, wo hwe sene omode galamsey and the pesika say omode be support omo political strategies ni ade na ye risky omo anhwe ya ebedru ba bi no omo ntimi ento aso biom. There is therefore the need to roll out a more rigorous legal means of controlling significant stake in the legal gold value chain. Tie ni ediso no ho na ehu no. Was it to this end a cursory look at the approved concessions should be looked at, as Santi Bedietuo is to lead the process to take over these concessions detailed below and consolidate them into the extended Ejapa LLC incorporated in Jersey. Hey, Nkrofo BTA. Oma BTA. Ejapa. What the media for them who follow Ejapa story no? Yes, Ejapa ye company bia ya register wo America memu. Wo mo na eba behwe ama ye gold royalties no wo mo bejeje. Eni ade. Na ye kwase a wo behu how they plan. Wo mo no ebe twe the chunk of money e dia kwa wo ankasa. Wo mo eso. Hey. Enti no Asante Bedietuo should lead that. There are 332 galamsey companies in this book. Omo apete. Just say, omo tutu gold, pesika, edebra omo. List no, and the wa say no. Mo betima roll out the list on the screen. 332 galamsey companies. And what say to us no? Say omo ntimi independent on the galamsey. And also omo betima nya the needed money omo hia because e risky. E bedru baby no. Na says the way ansase say amamfo to omo no gusu a wahwe omo nya sika de biom. Eti omo fa e kwan foforo so e beye mra kwan ebetima mo dasa sika na galamsey de be mo empo mo nti ntempa na mo register company wo America ma mu jesi ye friend Ajapa LLC omo buy number draft bibia asante be dey to mu ye fast and of the call parliament okay the day of the passage of Ajapa LLC what's a minority I walk out
yeah.
that time essence and MPP one numbers in it no omo ye dan omo pass here dede ba ho and the president say omo be amendment no ma send their back to parliament and then am omo ntimi implement into full who ye MPP ni who ye MPP MP who ye MPP ni minister ni a Branfodu ni de we ya fa wase a thank God say sabre APP won so wabusuafo na omo wasante mamu ha no wo munya sade we bia eye fight for them je ekufo be di president ana sante mamu bia yo me matena Kumasi aswanse sa miswa me papa ba Zongo police station honum na miswa sa tem no ne ani mfie ye kwa yi menyi ye mia metena aswanse 16 years
okay
enti se wo asantemam na mu goda e wasase ase yes sade Akoma abusuakuo bi outside Ashanti region na wote ho na wo support a dache echiriba ebebisa mo.
Hopes in the next 5 minutes, you phone lines and a for swap them, including almost voice messages.
Okay, any problem. Say a cabin, mammy cabin. At you share a unumwa concession or my come. In this document, was say the technical team led by DM Oforiata should further evaluate the following details in order to choose the appropriate site. This is the map of our forest. Ya omakwa kwaji wa Minerals Commission. Baby a gold no wono and ya shade no green kama. Eti wo mun steady no mun san fan krofo enkonko toto ho. Ni yeti ho. Yeti ho. Ya sedi en. Yeti ho sedi en. Hey, ya di Ghana masa abusuako bako.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Woko telecommunication in some way sisi wo hoda nya de ketwa. Hwe about the party ni omo kafa party no before 2020 election. Was it the party, the youth and women's wing of our party remain weakest link. Every effort must therefore be made to get our national organizer to fill in the gap. Same apply to getting Esla Owusu to assist the women's wing. The substandard tag on Nana Boachi seems to be perfect description of who he is, per the earlier assessment by DM Oforiata and co-writers of the August 2019 report. Swati, this is a tag we should actually shred from his personal knowledge. Hi. Party and someone or more can you. Now, what I said before 2020 elections. Now, as the Wusu Bohu no Namapa West, no Namapa East, no Nam voter region, no a candidate to Abrekuma West in Greater Accra, no Nam, no Bashanti region, no Namazi. As some of them had no album. See, Empress Wusu once assisted the women's wing. And you one album was in. And she had the 90s in Nigeria. I had ni omoka fa jombodu ni omoka fa Kennedy Japan ho ene ade nyina abam the minor parties, how they should get them and control them abam religion and chieftaincy eno and the one say abam dia me pesa be kan sabdi manuasi no ama atiefo abam the media now Was it the national situation as regards the media landscape? Was it the media has remained a veritable weapon in shaping public opinion and agenda setting strategy? We therefore have to wage an even more vigilant war in pursuit of our grand scheme to capture and dominate the media landscape. Etino, omo hu se media for no. Se eba se the public opinion se ye ya de no mo shepu no papa. Eti kwan on befa so a omo benya mo. Ayusu mu. Ama bibia mo gina omo achi no. Ombeye and they've succeeded. Edru anopa morning show na mo afa two parties bia pe aba betena ha sei. Meanwhile mo nim say nye two parties pe na 2024 elections. Omo succeed. Omo succeed. What's that want to mean?
Oh no, I have my own reservations though because I have not yet. I have no in the case of media general, wouldn't say we speak to multi-party representatives. Your movement for change, your panel, so across board. And we are not part of that. Yeah. If even that one crown is established, arguably.
Phase 2 of media control. One mention Bibiwa. Was it? There is no doubt that Joy 99.7 FM and multimedia group will remain an industry leaders in the communication sphere of the country, while relying on them as a veritable ally. Anti-MPP agenda by some of their staff does not portend well for us.
Okay, so Unim, because we have specifics, yentimi agree on this one. Okay. And now Kakao to Anka say yentimi adopt this one. Let me yes, and no because we cannot independently verify this one. That's right. Yes.
And to the meba bakubi wo mo a me pese me de I don't know what say. We were left with no choice but to have used our boys to threaten Manasseh Azuri Awuni, while his publication in the past inured to our political benefit.
And also hope we cannot independently verify that. It's yes.
Manasseh, is it a fact to say Uganda or South Africa say the life is in danger or not?
Yet, but you need evidence, no? You need evidence, yes, but me need evidence.
What?
But me need evidence. No, but you need evidence.
Evidence in here. Open the printing guitar.
Set the mechanism.
Open the printing guitar. I'm going to jabro.
Oh,
we're testing all the best enemies here.
Anyways,
okay. Let me respect your chair.
Yes.
Now, Nambija and Nkum. Eti, me say in someone or more church will book we mujina ebemu one after the other. A branch you will see on the touch screen. No ko gina ni TV anim no touch it. Who bisa ho say Ghana journalism na adru fahifa.
All right, we say line no so me person be pick calls ni bi afeso a number of them, in fact bro focus say plethora of messages and aba me phone so but my pick calls ni bi me we have remember messages no so na afi yeah eti my pick calls ni bi hello ni udi be aka
sorry
but plan one is snap your mind why
please try
ntimi anyina so hello ni
hello Akoma FM
yeah manengo yeah but manengo fast all right Mate hello di be aka free well okay yeah hello di be aka free
Nkum
yes
Solomon
Ati one family.
Yo manenko.
Nothing common size is so much among the Janov. Mame mo abasapa na me check mo din kokwa pia na we ba for you me share ta. Na kaka me kan say I see my me betra working. Me timi mo se ni ka say yaudie pa na me nya no kata. Ka we civil servant e timi di oduma tu jam a civil servant. E di no bi di en koma na were. Ati me ye kan wo ba. Ana wo ka tie di mo ha say wo ka te me na tie tiri mo na. E na wo ka tin fo be te over asante. And I have the Google for the over a president of the land. I can get so much already the by you. A given the chase, I think for it over a Sunday. And I said,
but I say, yes,
Sir Branch away or Mopi, and the man Ghana for woman. What you have now will be a chain Ghana, a good year, a Japadia, a musica, a dear Siaman and money, and then Oko airport when you now shopping more than now. Shops are when you now. President in ma any control. True of us. What he had no mobile defend this our road way.
All right, me that say. Yeah, hello, do we are free.
hello, the Muslim Shabu.
Shall we go fast?
All I was at the Kaudi say as a cook no kwa carry the car for me. Kaudi to but Sabu no free and now mama sentiment. Instead of your cool, you have sentiment and couldn't go and coach. And what could you want to go through? Because what could you want to the friend says, what tax exemption, not tax exemption, or not going to one tax and take baby, no afford you go $200 and something million. Of the software, $10 million assistant corporation. What can I forward? Coffee, 2 million. Now, Mama, and then all
right, me that say 03224980350243114497. Facebook no so. Yeah, hello, near bears.
Nkum.
Yes, I'm
on. Oh, dear, friends, absolutely. It's also good for you. Any and then, you come to a common general. If yes, the friends are Japanese man and ma. And in class for what you mean, if I know council would defend me. Any and then,
well, me that say, Maminko Facebook, Facebook for no so, yes, and I very unfair with them. Okay, hello, do you have a free?
Hello?
Yes, sir, Manenko.
Mama Jumo. Any and then you, said you mean under any and Mamintia, Professor, and Mamintia will be a former president of the national. Because look at Ghana, so maybe a bropa. In similar working, a one around the country, we be to a Bamuko, who got to Ghana Monte, the Bible, the one woman, and make it about no, where you may be serious. So, how not the blessed if you went to a money, from a woman. Galam say I need to know if this month when you gave me Falan and telephone and so on. And that is what I'm buying the problem because of what Mamma, you know, you're done part of the thing that
me that say, hello.
You know what to say?
Me who ya Manenko?
Seriously, we share to say, you hey! Nkum Ghana ye wo so we asemo we san do akapa ike president Nkum Dr. Boni na pipa bai mu ya bura kasa ike Ghana ye ho chiri na president Nkum do ni na bu so fu na and onin kia we uye MPP 77 o come dino o you know we say eye you be defend it tell you o share agapani book na or Sunday campaign no MPP no be defender. Who say yes to be
me that say Mamiko Facebook we free Bebeto channel. He's doing great work for motherland. Is better late than never. Thanks. We're Fresh Prince Nanam Ponsa. We know the truth now and we are voting massively for Honorable Alan Kojo Martin. Just so for Alan Kojo Martin. And I was free Kofi Debbie. In fact, Kwame Agaspa Donko they say Kofi Debbie said, look at what happened at Ejosu during by-election, and you know, I knew how the election was manipulated by the MPP members, and moreover, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa, Vice President of Ghana, and other party members went to Ejosu and wasted huge Ghana money. Vote wisely for incompetent leadership who can lead us. Okay. Abraham Osei also say we are wiser now. MPP4, you can vote for your MPP. We will stand for Ghana, not parties. Cause. Kofi Debi Makai win. All right. So Richmond Usu Hobson is bleeding power. Hey, chairman. Whatever you say will not stop us from voting for the MPPY. Come out for there. We're free. Richmond Usu. Samuel Fojo Mfa. What Hobson is doing on your show? Is it not the same person who campaigned for Nanado and MPP? Hobson should also read Kofi Potofi's book, Mr. Bomb Throwing. Prepare your response to IGP and prove your case. Stop wasting our time. Foko Edward say it all. Akasokre Joseph. Everything in the Japadie book is real and manifesting before our eyes. Let's kick them out on 7th December. Lady Smart Kumasi, God bless you, Hobson. Ignatius Yankee, also Shanties, wake up. Now we are not going to sit down, look this for Achin people to destroy Ghana. Anado, is this your mission? Well. Okay. Kwame Agaspa don't cause more fire. Ibrahim say, please, okay, all right. Yeah, be a phone line. Say, independent be a fine. Upon mensa, God bless you, Mr. Hobson. Keep it up. Okay, all right. So, Gibson K.O. Benyok, I can smell unfaithfulness and conspiracy acts in the submission from your guest. He's not different from current group of politicians in Ghana. Most of them are practicing politics of convenience. Okay. No, it doesn't. Okay, well, I can't because when Timmy and City. Okay, Abraham will say, Alan has the plan for Ghana's development. Kumasi Industrial City is the solution for unemployment. Vote for a truthful person, Alan. Haj D. Zakari, thank for bringing this great man. I want to bring debate between him and Wontumi. Anyway, Isaac Akoma, well, yeah, the chairman, who's a chairman there? Use a chairman. Isaac Akoma is also here from Germany. Kojo Sempa Furniture. Was it? This program is my favorite program ever. From Kojo Sempa Furniture. Kojo, thank you very much for your compliment. Pedro Modena Cruz. I'm doing the listening loud and clear inside Indianapolis, Kumasi Tanoso. Kesbin Junction, the main location. Keep up the good work. From Pedro. Look, WhatsApp message ni bibiri. Nyami aduma china me pushing na message John anopano. Yebebo. I'm giving you this assurance. John mebo WhatsApp anopano. Messages anopano. Ewo Ghana akome dwumedie so. Medama say. Hobson ye.
Yeah.
Yet yes sorry no. Eden adija asant mine.
Omo kasa eka nyina no. I don't blame them. Na am say near ebi mu hu no. Omo no omo hu. Omo tie a omo de adwenpa ne akoma patie ene the way a omo fele ene de omo hu no omo ma begina so a omo defend no omo hu sa so hu ne tie no Chrome has say the problem of this country ene ye wo mitu mu no eti ye twa wonsa akọ osi wo de twa kọ na be nsasiri no ebe ye adwuma ma still ebi na ebi frɛ ya na omo ye menia wo hwɛ bedi ma no si no wo hwɛ Myanmar ekoso. Unsa na me catch about the judiciary and governance in Ghana. Me ko to just one lie bipe. Ewa hase. Na me de abaye. Was it all appointment made to the Supreme Court, Court of Appeal and some of the high courts in Ghana under our government was to promote the MPP agenda and to ensure our country never falls in the hands of the opposition NDC. Follow in the opposition NDC there. Bebe follow in the hands of Alan Kojo Chiremante, December 7th. Na Alan Kojo Chiremante ba, the way ya be hwehwe sa Japadie book we mu, na ya hwe omo hyase, ya be ye forensic audit, am make sure si yatima hu, ya trace ehu bebi afri, na sankrofo no ye di omo gina ye ka ne sen court, ama court adi omo asem no. Omo anka se omo bebo omo nsem okrom hase. So hu ne tie no. Omo no de omo fi se sabe ahokyere no omo mu no okay ma omo no. It's up to them. Omo betima trem. But some of us, we are going to fight for our children and fight for our children. Send your omo pesika gu ho ama omo na nankaso amu na omo nya enwoye. Omo say yenya obi a oye no na kan. Send your beya Japadie ni omo hyehye Akufo do be wie ni time no na enye complete it is any nipa no ba e de beti ba ye complete mesre asanteman omo tie nyina se December 7th momiento aba no ma asanteman de hye aland kojo tremanten.
All right, Hobson Adoye ena ene obestra yen ye frame William Evansin kum nyame adom akina ya de se John ebetena se na o kon me kanfo efiebites e de amount usisi na ye o ya menstrual pain, general body pains, sexual weakness de o hia e efiebites obetimi afre 0594 399434 0204 853500. Drink responsibly. Say o chika so men konum efiebites only 18 years so a eni kwan say onom and now your pemfo na say o ma akora no for so a eni kwan say onom. Benjamin Edu and produce me DJ Tole enso so chinchin fide ni di maye and na face so nana yaw e de call face